Hey everybody, Allie here from Buffalo, New York. We are going to be teaching you guys how to use your Vitamix to make whole wheat delicious banana bread. So come on over, check this out. I'm just gonna quickly go through the ingredients with you. So we got some bananas. You wanna make sure the riper the better because they're more sweet as they brown. So we got a nice spot, two of those. Whole wheat flour, some granulated sugar. We got chopped walnuts, a little bit of salt, butter, some skim milk, applesauce, and this is my sweet ingredient I'm going to show you at the end. So what you want to do first is this is important, you want to set your oven preheated at 350 degrees. Hit start here. Now what we're going to do is mix our dry ingredients first. Just in this bowl right here, we got whole wheat flour. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Here we are. Put another scoop in there. And then we're going to do, I already pre-measured this out, but 1 teaspoon of salt. So we got that all mixed in. And now what we're going to do is use our Vitamix to mix all the wet ingredients. So we're going to start here with 1 large egg. Now, don't judge me, I'm not the best at cracking eggs, but there we are, perfect. Gonna work on that. We're going to do a lemon peel. So we got just about a teaspoon of a lemon peel, just the zest. So we're going to pop that right in here. Do a 1/4 cup of applesauce. This is my favorite, by the way. I love applesauce. We have 1/3 cup of skim milk. Pop that right in. And then we have this is a 1/4 cup of butter. So what you want to do is make sure you let this sit out for about 30-45 minutes before you start mixing your banana bread, just so it softens up. It mixes a little bit better within your Vitamix. So we'll pop that in. And last ingredient, but definitely not least, I shouldn't say that. That's not our last ingredient, but we got a 2/3 cup of sugar. That's sugar. And then we're gonna add in our nice ripe banana. So what you wanna do is a little trick of the trade. Flip that open. And we're gonna just put those in half. Your bananas. Boop. Here we are. Again, just have those bananas just like that. Now, really simple. You're just going to blend this for about 10-15 seconds. Using your Vitamix definitely beats doing this by hand. It's just a heck of a lot easier. So check this out. Come on over. We're not going to go to full speed. So I'm using the Vitamix A3500 here. So we're just going to wake this up. We're going to start on variable 1. And then we're going to slowly increase this just to speed 5. Perfect. We just want to blend this till it mixes really well. And that looks good. And we'll take this, and now we're going to add this to our dry ingredients. So we'll just pour that right in. And we're going to mix this up real nice with my little spatula here. Don't mind if it clumps a little bit. That'll work itself out when it bakes. But yeah, we're just going to mix this. Get it nice and mixed up. Here. That looks good. Then we're going to add in some chopped, about a 3/4 cup of chopped walnuts. You want to save a little bit at the end so you can add these to the top. Makes for a nice looking banana bread. And then this is my secret ingredient. I'm a sweets person. I love chocolate, so I got about a 1/2 cup of just semi-sweet chocolates we're going to add to this too. And we'll save a little bit so we can add this to the top as well. Oh, we're already preheated. Looks like we're right on pace. So you just want to mix this in so you got a nice texture. Nice, delicious inner of the banana bread. Perfect. One of the last things you want to do is just make sure you coat your loaf pan with cooking spray. Make sure this is nice and coated. There we go. Almost finished. Super simple. So just again, use this just to pour in to your loaf pan. Whoop. Make sure that's mixed in. looks perfect. Okay, smooth that right out. We'll just put these little guys right on top. This is gonna be one heck of a banana bread. All right, guys, all you gotta do, pop this in the oven, set a timer for about an hour. I'm gonna set it at about 45 minutes just to do a check. But one of the tests to make sure it's good is just stick a knife in. If it comes out clean, your banana bread is good to go. All right. Thanks, everyone. Enjoy. We'll show you the end product in just a second here, or just an hour. A little closer to it. All right, we're back. So we took this out of the oven. It actually took about an hour, so I did time it perfectly. It was 57 minutes and 30 seconds. But anyways, we let it cool for a few hours. I will say that the middle caved in a little bit, but imperfection is beauty. But check this out. I did cut it. I'm gonna cut myself a little piece. Get the messy pieces for myself. Take a nice bite, do a taste test. Oh my gosh, that's delicious. So good luck, everyone. Post your videos and enjoy your whole wheat Vitamix banana bread.